In this video, I just want to show the unboxing of another LIGE watch, LIGE. So I've bought a couple of these in the past, hence the one I've got on my wrist for everyday wear. So I just thought I'd get another one. They're not expensive watches, about £30 in UK. So you've got a little microfiber cloth in that one, and as you can see there, the strap is a mesh type of strap, and it's got some plastic protector over it. So I'll just show you close up what it's like. I'll turn it over. I'll show you the back. As you can see, the strap is very nice with a little clasp. So I'll just show you a comparison with that one. Look, I'll put it down here. It's just slightly smaller. They put their strap all the way on. Look, looks quite nice, doesn't it? They're very stylish watches, these. So what else have we got in the box? Well, just a little bit of foam padding, and a little instruction manual and cards. International guarantee, and there's your little instruction manual, and a little label. Not sure what that's for, but there we have it. Oh, the little screwdriver, obviously for adjusting the strap, but it tells you how to adjust the strap in there. So anyway, all in all, I think it's a very nice, stylish watch. I'll show you lastly again. You can see it's got the date on it there. You can change the date. It's quite thick. You can kind of hear the clasp. Anyway, thank you for watching the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you hate it, give it a thumbs down. Look out for my next video. Cheers.